Dispatched means sent something to a place or person. It is the past tense of dispatch. In simple words, dispatched equals sent or delivered. Dispatched is often used when sending a letter or package, sending goods or products, sending a message or information. It shows that the item has been sent successfully. Very easy examples. The package was dispatched yesterday. The email has been dispatched to all employees. More simple example sentences. The goods were dispatched on time. The letter was dispatched by the post office. The order was dispatched to the customer. Daily life situations. Online shopping uses the term dispatched for delivery updates. Factories dispatch products to shops. Offices dispatch letters and documents daily. Student-friendly sentence. My book was dispatched from the store yesterday. Important point to remember. Dispatched means sent, and it usually refers to something official, formal, or important. Easy memory tip. Dispatched equals sent or delivered.